Steve, a Bridgeport man who allegedly caused a fatal car crash facing larceny charges today for that incident that police say led up to the fatal accident. As News 12 Connecticut's Frank Recchia tells us, the victim's family also came to court to make sure justice is served.
This was my son.
As the family of 26-year-old Jason Fonseca-Kennedy headed to Milford Superior Court seeking justice for their loved one, they said the past 3 weeks have been a living nightmare.
He was just a good, loving man. You called him, he was there.
Ever since Fonseca-Kennedy suffered fatal injuries when his pickup truck on South Avenue in Stratford was sideswiped by a Honda. Behind the wheel of that Honda, police say, was 38-year-old Jamar Blackburn of Bridgeport. He used a walker in the courtroom today as a result of injuries he suffered in the crash.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Police say Blackburn had sped through a stop sign while coming off I-95 at exit 31.
He killed my son, my innocent son that was just driving that afternoon. He needs to know that.
You killed our baby boy!
That's why the family says they spoke out in the courtroom after Blackburn's appearance, but he wasn't in court in connection with the accident. Blackburn was appearing here on larceny charges only. Police say shortly before the fatal crash, Blackburn had tried to scam a man who had agreed to sell him a watch in a parking lot in Milford. And when the person realized he had been scammed, they say the victim then followed Blackburn, who sped away and caused the fatal crash. Police in Stratford, meantime, say they have applied for a warrant to charge Blackburn in connection with the accident.
This man does not belong on the streets. He's clearly a threat to everyone around him.
In Milford, Frank Recchia, News 12 Connecticut.